Today we are breaking down how non-dom status works and how you can unlock these tax benefits with expert legal help. Welcome to Nevestate, your go-to channel for overseas property insights. In this episode, we are diving into one of Cyprus' best-kept secrets, the non-dom tax status. If you're from the UK or the European Union and looking to invest smart, save on taxes, and gain legal clarity, keep watching. So today we're joined with Fasula from the IP Smart Consulting, and we will delve into the topic of non-dom in Cyprus. So Fasula, can you please tell me what is exactly a non-dom in Cyprus and how it can benefit our clients?
So non-domicile in Cyprus is when someone can live in Cyprus and receive the very good tax advantages of Cyprus itself. For several EU, UK property buyers, it means that they can live in Cyprus and benefit from the tax advantages of the country.
And what are the benefits and advantages of it?
Okay, so of course the tax advantages would involve like the 0% tax on dividends, the 0% tax on interest income. There is in Cyprus no inheritance tax, so that's amazing for every individual that decides to domicile in Cyprus. There is zero taxation on rental income, so that also is a huge benefit. There is no wealth or gift tax in Cyprus, and in general there are many benefits that EU and UK buyers will really benefit from this.
Yes, and it is a very unique thing now, as there is no other place in Europe like this, because UK just recently cancelled this.
Exactly, yeah.
So Cyprus is the only place now where you can... So Cyprus now is the only place from where you can prosper about this amazing option. So I want to ask you, how long does this status long and how it can be renewed and extended?
Okay, so non-domicile status lasts for 17 consecutive years. It cannot be extended after the 17 years lapse, but you need to consider that within the 17 years, the client cannot stop it for a small period of time, relocate and come back. From the minute they receive their tax residency, then that begins the 17 years from that date on.
And how many years or months you have to live in Cyprus too?
Okay, so there are two options. We have two rules. That's the 183-day rule and we have the 60-day rule. The 183 days, as it's stated there, you need to be 183 days in Cyprus. However, the Cyprus government has provided with a small day of the 60-day rule, but they have put some, how can I say, some more elements to this 60-day rule because it's less time, so they have a few more elements that they need to, criteria to
Can you expand on this?
Yes, like the criteria is for 60 days, so they need to have a residency, they have to have a home residency. Yes, home residence in Cyprus, and it can be also rented, and basically they need to make sure that they're not tax residents elsewhere. It's very important, and also they have to make sure that they are not staying in any other country more than 183 days.
I see. And it is important to say that you can get a residence permit by buying real estate and obtain a non-dom. You can get a residency permit from which amount of money? From 300,000, right?
Correct, yes.
Yeah, so
300,000.
You buy a property, you get a residence permit, and it is one of the main elements for this 60-day strategy.
Correct.
So what do buyers need to qualify for the status, and how long does the process go?
Okay, so it's a very, very easy process. The first element is they need to obtain a tax identification number to prove that they're going to be tax resident in Cyprus. They need to register as a Cyprus tax resident, obviously, and they need to submit a non-domicile declaration stating that they are non-domicile and they're not originated from Cyprus to begin with. Once they collect all this information, then we would submit it to the tax department, and it could take between 2 to 6 weeks. This depends on the tax department's workload.
How does the status affect the rental income and dividends from property investment in Cyprus?
So basically, by being a non-domicile status, there is no special defense contribution on the rental income. So that is a huge benefit,
yes,
compared to Cyprus residents over here. So, and another attribute is that there will be 0% tax on dividends. So this is a huge element for our tax effects in Cyprus.
So what is the minimum investment you should make to obtain this status?
So there is no minimum investment for a non-domicile status. You just need to fulfill the requirements of what is required to be non-domicile, and you need to make sure that you continue every single year to fulfill all the criteria for tax residency.
So also what is important to note is that there is some tax and tax on capital gains and the sale of property in Cyprus. Can you expand and explain us?
Yeah. Basically, there is capital gains tax in Cyprus. It's 20%. However, there are some exemptions to consider. So they will look at, obviously, it's the gains once it's sold from the gains of the sale of the property. So these exemptions can be considered and can be reduced. And of course, it's also, you need to make a note that it is a lot less than other countries in the EU and the UK.
And is there any benefit when you're like selling property to those with non-dom status?
No.
So are there any inheritance tax benefits?
Yes, there are major benefits. The fact that there is no inheritance tax in Cyprus, of course, it is a huge benefit for people who want to relocate to Cyprus.
Okay, so now when we have explained to you what is the basics of a non-dom status, can you tell us what legal support can you provide to our clients? And I also want to mention that when buying with us, we give you and provide you the full support together with our partners, and we go with you during the process of buying from A to Z.
So our company will have a one-to-one with your client. We will provide a tailor-made end-to-end relocation so they can have everything that they need. We will assist them with all the tax applications for the non-domicile status. We will assist any legal support with regards to the property acquisition that you will assist them with. And we will make sure annually that we will provide them with all the taxes that they need to comply to make sure that their status will remain for the next 17 consecutive years.
I also know that there are a lot of benefits for IT specialists on Cyprus, that they're relocating their businesses, their families, and there is a reason for this, right?
Of course.
Can you tell us about these advantages?
Of course. In Cyprus, we have an amazing IP box regime. So there's 2.5% corporate tax on intellectual properties. So this, of course, is hugely a major interest in Cyprus at the moment. It is one of the lowest IP tax rates in Europe. And the most important is also that there is no capital gains tax on the disposal of IP rights.
Yes, and Cyprus have been doing this for years. They really want to invest into the IT sector.
For sure,
so it's a nice time, nice place to invest in, to come here, work here, because there are just amazing options for you and your family here. So if you're serious about investing in Cyprus and you want to reduce your taxes, a non-dom status here is the best option for you. If you have any questions or you want to ask us anything about this regime or about what properties you can get in Cyprus, write to us or leave a comment and we will be happy to assist you.